why is it important to see a specialist, like a medical specialist, in your injury case, like after an accident or some other type of injury? And so, usually, what happens in my case is, so I'm a personal injury attorney in Los Angeles and have a number of clients that are injured and end up needing to see specialists. And every once in a while, I have a client that's saying, you know what, I've been seeing a physical therapist or a chiropractor and it's helpful and I don't really want to see anyone else. But when I get the treatment, the pain comes back. So they get some chiropractic treatment. Maybe they've been doing it for 3 or 4 months. And even though they like it, there's massages or other therapy that it helps in the moment, the pain comes back. And usually those, like the chiropractor or the physical therapist, will make a recommendation, or their primary care doctor will make a recommendation for them to go see an orthopedic doctor, a neurosurgeon, a pain management doctor, another type of specialist, or a neurologist. And the reason that's important is because those doctors have specializations in areas that the chiropractor or the physical therapist don't. And so those doctors, the specialists, can make diagnoses or come up with treatment plans that a chiropractor or a physical therapist couldn't, or even a massage therapist just couldn't do that. A lot of times those doctors, they're medical doctors, they have more training in the specialization. So for example, the orthopedic doctor is specialized in problems with bones, is a simple way to put it, and related issues. So if you have problems in your spine, there are orthopedic doctors that specialize in the spine, and they can come up with treatment plans, options, diagnoses that a chiropractor couldn't, that a physical therapist couldn't. And when you don't want to go to those people, if you're just like, you know what, I'm just going to stick to this one thing or ignore it, you are not only doing a disservice to yourself because you're not getting fully examined or seeing the right people based on what you're complaining about, you're limiting the ability of the chiropractor or the physical therapist also, because they will talk with the specialist and they will hear, okay, maybe the treatment should change. And so you're limiting their ability to be effective for you. And of course, you're limiting your ability for your lawyer, like myself, in order to represent you and negotiate on your behalf, because there's treatment that's being recommended, but you're not getting it. And it's important that you get it because it's being recommended to you. So that is why it's important to see a specialist sometimes on your injury case.